Hi everyone, Connor from Zenfinex here, and for those who are new to this channel, I'm the Senior Market Analyst at the company. I regularly provide videos on various different markets, and today I'm going to be covering another niche market which has provided multiple opportunities throughout 2021. I'm referring to the platinum market, and I'm going to be giving a 2022 price forecast. To do this, I will conduct a fundamental analysis running through the economic factors which will drive the price, and then look at the key levels to watch out for on the chart in 2022. Okay, so looking at the 2021 story for platinum prices, they fluctuated around the 2021 open. They have been a bit higher, they've also been a bit lower, and the overall picture now is looking flat. This is mainly due to the pandemic restrictions, meaning demand for platinum has been low during these unprecedented times. Now, at the time of recording this video, platinum prices are sitting at around $1,050 per ounce. The 2021 open price was around 1,080 per ounce. Now, can we expect any better for 2022? In my opinion, yes. I think I'm going to touch on why. I think platinum it is one of the rarest metals in the world, with unique physical and catalytic properties, making it highly valued across a number of diverse demand segments. Going into 2022, and hopefully, I say hopefully, a post-pandemic world, demand in the car industry is likely to be higher than it was this year. And a third of the demand for platinum comes from the car industry, and it's particularly useful in the making of electric cars. Now, there's pressure, as we all know, as we've seen, on companies to be greener. The pressure on that is ramping up, and with taxes increasing on older cars that emit more harmful gases, this is likely to be supportive of platinum prices as we move into a world where electric cars become more common. Now, let's talk about inflation lastly. Platinum is a precious metal, so it is believed to be a safe haven or an inflation hedge, similar to what we see with gold. Now, of course, there is a debate around whether this is actually true, but there was a surge following the 20-year highs in the US CPI release just the other week. This means that it should not be ignored, and inflationary pressures are going to continue to be a factor as we head into 2022, and if we start to see platinum act as an inflation hedge, we're going to see prices increase as a result. Overall, the outlook for platinum, in my opinion, is for prices to rise based on these fundamental factors. But let's take a look at the chart to mark the key levels to watch out for. Okay, so on the chart for platinum, yes, we've been on this bit of a downtrend really since 2014, but you can see that the most significant breakout we had in that 2020 year, where prices increased significantly. We've just got a bit of a pullback at the moment, and you can see that on the year, if I zoom in a bit closer, roughly around that 180 mark is where we opened. Hi guys, thank you for listening to this video. Just really quickly wanted to touch on a really exciting offer we have on the website. It's a limited time offer, and if you head over to zenfinex.co.uk, you will see the offer in front of you straight away. And this is that you can trade Forex on a standard account with raw spread plus zero commission. And now Zenfinex is also an FCA and no dealing desk execution broker. If you are interested in this offer, you can get in touch with the team by clicking learn more, or you can simply go to open an account where you can start the application process. Here it is, around 180 mark, and you can see we're pretty much flat on the year. So I'm expecting next year we're going to have some sort of move either way. Hopefully that provides a bit more opportunity. Now, significant levels to mark, right? So how this 100 weekly moving average has held is significant. You can see that the price did threaten to close below back in September, and this was a great buying opportunity for anyone. Moving averages do tend to be more reliable on a higher time frame, so they're on the weekly chart, so we can really hone in on these moving averages. Again, we're at this situation where we're trading in between the moving averages. We've got the 50 moving average coming into play now, and you can see that we've wicked above it, and then we're starting to trade below. So are we going to get a bit more of sideways price action for the rest of the year? Going into 2022, what I'm looking for is a break of this 50 moving average. If we can get a break above there, potentially a retest of an order block that's left behind, and then we can look to aim higher. My target for platinum for 2022 is up at around 1500. $1,500 as our take profit level. It would mean a break of structure to the upside would be here, but if we move down to the daily chart, we might be able to find a bit more of a cleaner level to look out for. So on the daily chart now, you can see that prices are starting to create what's higher highs and higher lows. Now the most significant entry level that we can get in terms of a price action entry is down at this 960 level. 960 is our order block, and I'm going to use the full wick just to be safe. You can see that from this this level here, this last piece of selling pressure, we had this move to the upside, and we broke one structure high, two structure highs, break of structure there, break of structure there. So if we can get an entry here, a long position around 960, you could even put your stop loss covering the lows at 890 if you like. 960, aiming towards that 1500 level, and this would be a real hold throughout the year. We're looking at around a 22 risk reward trade. People might want to, well, you would take profits along the way. Again, on the daily chart, getting some resistance at the moment from this 200-day moving average, so we may be able to get a counter trend sell from this 200-day moving average down into our order block level, grabbing this liquidity along the way as well before we get that move higher. So I am optimistic for platinum prices for 2022. We are going to have to move through a significant amount of resistance on the, I think it's the 50 weekly moving average and also the 200 daily moving average as well, before we get that move higher. But looking around retracement no further than 960, and my target for 2022 is around 1500. So that's it for platinum prices today. I hope you all enjoyed this forecast. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel as well. It does help boost our channel. Also drop your comments in on the comment section on your opinion on where you think platinum prices are going for 2022. Other than that, I'll catch you all for the next forecast video. Enjoy your platinum trading for 2022 and take care.